Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up this ad format on my website and how you can easily do the same on your blog or site to start earning passive income. Works great on desktop, even better on mobile. Watch the full video and start turning your traffic into real income. Today, HilltopAds is one of the best platforms for monetizing your website and social media traffic. With high CPM ad formats, fast approvals, and easy integration, it's perfect for bloggers, content creators, and webmasters looking to turn their traffic into real income. HilltopAds offers formats with high CPM rates, meaning you earn more per 1,000 visitors. Plus, you get weekly payouts without delays. No more waiting around for your earnings. HilltopAds comes with advanced monetization tools that let you optimize and boost your income. Earn revenue from every visitor to your site. Whether you're running a streaming service, movie website, entertainment portal, e-commerce store, or even a dating site, you can monetize all your traffic effortlessly with HilltopAds and start turning clicks into cash. Monetizing your website with HilltopAds is simple and quick. First, sign up for HilltopAds. It's free and easy. Once you're in, add your website as your traffic source. Then, add the ad code to your site. I'll show you how. And finally, you'll get paid for the traffic your site generates. If you're new here, don't forget to grab the registration link in the video description below and sign up for HilltopAds. Also, be sure to check out the full step-by-step tutorials in the playlist linked in the description. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in, and let's get started with setting up your ads. To manage and track your ads, simply navigate to the Manage Site and Zones section. This section shows the sites you've registered, along with the ad formats you've previously added. To add more ads or adjust settings, simply click on Ad Zone. It's that easy to keep everything organized and optimize your ad placements. HilltopAds offers multiple ad formats for publishers, giving you flexibility to choose what works best for your audience. In this video, we'll focus on placing an in-page push ad on your website or blog, a great format that blends well with your content and doesn't interrupt the user experience. When creating your ad zone, give it a name to easily identify it later. This ad format has some great benefits. Catchy, engaging design with an icon and short text. Works seamlessly on all browsers. Non-intrusive, it grabs attention without annoying your visitors. Once you've filled in the details, just click Ad Zone to generate your ad code. Go ahead and copy the ad code. We'll be adding it to your website in just a moment. Log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure you've installed and activated the WP code. Insert headers and footers plugin. Once the plugin is active, navigate to Code Snippets in the left-hand menu and click Add Snippet. This is where you'll paste your HilltopAds ad code to easily add it to your site without editing theme files. Go to the section where you can add custom code to your website. From the available options, select the JavaScript snippet type, since the HilltopAds In-Page ad code is written in JavaScript. First, enter a title for your ad snippet in the field above so you can easily recognize it later. Next, paste the ad code you copied from your HilltopAds into the field below. This is the JavaScript code that will display the ad on your website. Scroll down to the Insert Method section and select Auto Insert. For location, choose Site-Wide Footer to display the ad across all pages. Under Device Type, make sure to select any device so the ad shows on both desktop and mobile. Leave Smart Conditional Logic turned off, unless your website requires login/logout functionality. Finally, make sure to enable the snippet and hit Save to apply the changes. To ensure the ad is placed correctly and functions properly, open your site in a browser where you're not logged into WordPress. As an admin, the ad won't be visible to you, but visitors will be able to see it. The ad will appear on your website like this. It's clean, non-intrusive, and doesn't disturb your visitors' browsing experience. Plus, it's a high CPM ad, meaning you earn more for every view. Easy, right? To fully set up all HilltopAds formats on your website or blog, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll walk you through every step, from setting up your account to earning your first income on the HilltopAds platform. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help.